17593 Winterhawk Trail is a one-of-a-kind property here in Jupiter Farms. It all started with the seller's vision. They needed a home that fit their needs. After searching and finding nothing that would work, they decided to build it. They found just over 5 acres on a quiet road with mature trees. They tore down the existing home and built this stunning 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom CBS home. They renovated the guest home, then added a massive detached shop and a pole barn.